Very much for talking to us, sir, this afternoon. The top line as well as the bottom line both were slightly on the weaker side. Talk to us what happened this time around. Do you see a reversal going forward?
Good afternoon, and thank you for having me on the show. Yes, it's been a challenging quarter. I think we've faced challenges on sugar recovery, and I think that has impacted the bottom line significantly. Also, if you compare with the same quarter last year, we had export quotas last year, which we had fulfilled. We didn't have the same available to us this time round. I think lastly on the distillery segment, there was a policy change announced in December, early in December. And I think this impacted our distillery volumes as well as our bottom line. So these are really the key reasons for the numbers to drop.
Muthu, I understand that the company is also growing the FMCG part of the business rapidly in order to diversify the overall business mix. How meaningful is it right now? And in the next 4 quarters, 8 quarters, where do you see that business also shape up in proportion to your current business?
Sure. So I think the FMCG food segment, I think, is a important area of growth for us. A couple of years ago, I think we embarked on the journey with the sweeteners segment. We saw an opportunity to brand sweeteners. Also, given that the segment is very highly regulated, we wanted to build a business which will have less of regulation and better opportunities to create value. So we started the brand Parry is very strong, and we started to leverage this and build distribution in the southern markets. That's gone well, and our retail sales are about 30% of our overall sugar sales. And we've launched multiple products in the sweetener segment. We're now further leveraging the brand Parry by expanding into more categories in the grocery basket, in the consumer's grocery basket. In TN, just after Sankranti, we have launched into the staples segment, rice, dals, pulses, and millets. And we intend to grow, this segment into other markets as well. In terms of how we see this business panning out over the next 4 to 8 quarters, yes, I think it will. It's a growth area. These categories are all only 25-30% branded, so there is a lot of headroom for growth. So I think they will, increasingly become significant contributors to the overall company's growth story.
All right, Muthu, thanks very much for your time. That